Hey guys, for this video, I will show you how to upload documents in Confluence page. First, go ahead and log into your Confluence account. Once inside the dashboard, on the left panel, select on the space that you want to navigate. Once in, from its contents, select on the page where you want to upload documents. Now from here, on the upper ribbon, click on this image icon. And in here, you will be able to upload your documents. So just go ahead and click on the upload button. After that, you can now select your document, whichever that is. So just go ahead and click on one, then click on open. And there you have it. Your document is now uploaded. You can also click on it to choose on the display options, whether on inline or card. Then you can go ahead and upload another one if you'd like to. And that's just basically it. You can now upload documents in your Confluence page. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.